Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meli. For anyone who's new here, I would love to have you subscribe. And if you are part of my channel, thank you for coming back. If you haven't followed me on social media already, my social media is down below, as well as timestamps for this video if you're looking for just the try on or my final thoughts. So this is the January Boxycharm Premium, and we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I also do have an affiliate link. It does state that down there just in case, but if you do use it, I am grateful that you guys use it. First thing in here is the little card that they always have, and this month is called Fresh Start. Don't we all just need a fresh start this year? Okay, and this month, I don't know why it doesn't have the variation number on either box. Not sure what happened there, but it is what it is. First thing in here is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is worth $48. I actually already have this. I have the tiny version and I love it. This is so great for when you go to sleep. It moisturizes your skin and is just absolutely amazing. If you have never tried this, I do highly suggest it. They do have a mini version at Sephora that you can purchase. Unless you get it in your premium box, then you ain't gotta worry about that. This just really hydrates your skin. It has 2.25 ounces, and like I said, it is $48. Anytime I use it, I just feel super refreshed in the morning and just like my face feels so plump and yummy. So it is a nightly mask, or you could also use it as a daytime moisturizer in flight. It's a multitasker. It has vitamins, ceramides, antioxidants. It leaves your skin renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. And I have to attest to it that it really does. Absolutely love it. Excited that I have the full size now. Next thing in here is the Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. This is $39. I do use this in the try on portion, but I only used these three products down here because I am filming multiple boxes today and I could only pick one for my eyeshadow. But what I will do is use these eyeshadows in a reel for you guys on my Instagram. I do a lot of wearable looks, so if you're interested in that, go follow me. But this highlighter, Ofra does such amazing highlighters, and this right here stole the show already. When I used it, I was blown away. I can't wait to play with the eyeshadows. The only thing kind of missing from this is, I mean, I like the little smile, you're beautiful, but I would have liked even just a tiny little mirror, especially for $39. I know that their formula is amazing though, so we're just gonna forgive them. Next thing in here is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is $32. If you pick this as your choice, you actually get to choose which color or which shade you wanted. I, for my PR box, was able to choose a shade, and I chose the shade Banana because I thought it would be a great all over shade. In my not PR box, which I will film when I get, I actually picked the shade that's a little bit lighter than this one. I don't remember what the name was, but I will, in my not PR box unboxing, try that as a setting, like a baking powder underneath the eyes, because that's why I picked that shade, so that I could do brightening underneath the eye. I absolutely love Fenty Beauty's packaging. Very, very gorgeous. Once you twist it out, the sifter itself is actually their initials, FB, and the banana shade, I have to say, is amazing for my skin tone. If you are olive complexion around an NC 30-35, I feel like this will be a great setting powder. I love the fact that it's matte, but it looks natural on the skin and looks very nice on the skin. It's not one of those mattifying powders that accentuates dry patches or makes you look cakey or... Okay, my dog just walked in. Can I help you? Sorry, was interrupted by Rocky, my dog. But what it says on the back is that it's light as air setting and photo soft finish for all, and I really do feel that it's that. It's a mattifying powder, but it looks absolutely gorgeous on the skin. It's what I set my whole face with, and I feel like it almost like blurred my skin, which I love. And it has this smell like baby powder. I don't know if it's just me, but to me it smells like baby powder. Next thing in here is the Laura Mercier Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick. This lipstick was super bright and I just felt that it wasn't going to match me today. So it's this coral shade. I'm not gonna open it because I think I'm just gonna pop this in a giveaway. I am trying to minimize my collection and only keep stuff that I know that I will really use. And this shade is a shade that I probably already have at least one coral that I can use, and is not a shade that I really gravitate to as much as, let's say, nudes. And maybe somebody could give it more loving than me. Also, if it had matched better with my makeup, maybe I would have used it on camera just to actually show you guys, but sadly it didn't go with the whole vibe. And that is a whoa, that is a $32 lipstick. That's up there with Mother Pat McGrath. And it says it's a satin finish, it's weightless, high impact, and a long lasting color. So maybe I'll give it a shot and show you guys on Instagram. Well, we'll see. And then the next thing in here is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara. This is $24. This is the Ultra Black formula, and I love the name of it. The name is called "Cause I'm Black," which Rihanna, she's got a good sense of humor. So I love that. The brush on this is absolutely amazing. It's flat, so you could actually like use the flat side and like really get in there, and you will see this on the try on portion, really push up your lashes. And then the fat side of it, you could actually go in and brush the formula onto your lashes and really make them pop. I am rarely impressed by a mascara on the first go, and this one impressed me. You guys will see it in the try on portion. I have lashes right now, but I did in that portion just show you guys just the mascara, and that one is $24. And then the last thing in here is the PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. This is $30, and I'm not sure if I will use this or not. I am not somebody who will I rather use a makeup balm and take off my makeup, so I'm not sure if I will put this into a giveaway or maybe just use it for cleaning my brushes. So we'll see, but really nice little towel if you guys are into that sort of thing. Next thing that I'm going to show you guys is the try on. From the premium box, I received the banana powder from Fenty. I was actually able to choose which one they were going to send me in PR, so I went ahead and chose banana because for mine I actually chose the shade lighter than this, and that way I could use one for underneath the eyes for brightening and this one for all over. So we are going to test this puppy out and see how it works all over my skin. Because it's more of a olive yellow complexion, I'm hoping that it will work as a setting powder for all over my face, and I think it's going to work perfectly. Can you tell difference or nah? And I love that they have the FB as the sifter. That's a very cute detail. I can already tell you guys that this is a mattifying but natural powder. I don't know if that makes sense. It's very mattifying on the skin. I can already tell on this side of the face, but at the same time, it kind of has a skin-like texture to it. Like it still looks like skin, not way too matte, which I like. And it kind of has a, I don't know, I want to say like a baby powder smell to it. Let me know if I'm crazy or if it's just me, but it smells like baby powder to me. From the premium box, the next thing that we're gonna play with is this palette right here from Ofra. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight for you guys. And we're gonna go ahead and just take the bronzer and dip into it and just sculpt my face with it. And I really enjoy Ofra's products. I always have, ever since the first time they appeared in Boxycharm. Their stuff is absolutely amazing. I love their lip products. I remember buying so many of them. I haven't bought one in a hot minute because, to be honest, I've been on low buys for the last couple of years, just really trying to use up what I have. So there's this side of the face, nice and bronze. And let me get a blush brush. And this is from Moda. I absolutely love their brushes. And we're just going to dip into that pretty coral brush. Let me tap some off just in case, because I think I might have gone overboard. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, what a nice flush. Just very natural and beautiful, just blends in seamlessly. And then last is their highlights, and I adore their highlights. Their highlights are amazing. This one has 5 different shades. I'm just gonna swirl around in all of its beautiful glory. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And that's just a light. So if you really wanted to, you could make this pop for the gods. Oh yes, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Ofra's highlights are amazing. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is do a reel on my Instagram. I do a lot of makeup over there and use these eyeshadows on a reel over there, but such a good palette, a good mixture of, oh, just that cheek. Yes, mama. The next product that we're going to use from the premium box is going to be the Fenty mascara. It's called Cause I'm Black, which I love that name, but here is what the packaging looks like. Very Fenty-ish, very beautiful. And we're going to try, it says that it goes from flat to fat. So it goes flat on this side like this, and then when you turn it, it goes fat. So I'm gonna just do one eye. I am gonna be wearing lashes later on. I just really wanted to try this and see if I see a big difference from one eye to the other. So we're gonna try the flat way first to just help with volume. And I always feel that mascaras sometimes don't give the best impressions. Sometimes mascaras work the best after you've been using it a week or two and some air has gotten in there and dried it out a little bit and it starts really getting thick and juicy. That's when I really like mascaras. Sometimes I like my mascaras right when they're about to be thrown away, which is weird. Am I the only one, or does that sound nasty? Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use it on the other side as well. This is what one coat looks like. I really like the fact that the flat side you can really push up on your lashes and bring them up like this, and then the fat side you can really help volumize. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more coats because that's the kind of girl I am. I am one of those people who wears 2-3 different mascaras ever since I was in college back in the early 2000s. I have always bought 2 to 3 mascaras and layered them to just help them out. I just love excessive mascara. Here is my eye with a few coats of the mascara and with nothing. And I have to say, I am so impressed with this mascara. Usually mascaras don't really impress me from the get-go, but this one is really nice. So if you get it, let me know what you guys think. Or if you have tried it already, let me know what you think. But I will definitely continue to play with it and keep you guys posted on my Instagram. And I do have a lipstick product in here, but it's not one that goes with the look that I have on. It's a bright coral. So I am going to definitely put this in a giveaway for you guys. And I think that is it for the try on portion. And I will give you guys my final thoughts. For my final thoughts, I have to say, I think that they knocked it out of the ballpark with this first premium box. Premium boxes are $35 a month. As I stated previously, this is sent for review purpose. I have to say, between the Summer Friday, I absolutely love this jet lag mask. The mascara totally impressed me. The powder, the Ofra palette, when when they put their minds to it, they actually put some bomb ass products together. And at least to me, if you get 3 to 4 good products, it's definitely worth the money. And like I've stated previously, I do pay for the Boxycharms myself, so you guys will see later on my not PR boxes, and you can kind of compare what I got based on my choices compared to my PR box if you're interested in that, or just interested in seeing a different variation. And as always, I will put the total value of the box around here if you're interested in knowing how much the total value of everything in here was. And I'm excited. I really enjoyed it. I'm excited to keep playing with the Ofra. I was knocked, my socks were knocked off with this powder. Amazing. The mascara, just a really good box. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe. And if you're not following me on my social media, what you waiting for? Go follow me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.